Phoenix, Arizona, to check out a joint where we're gonna get some food that you totally expect in this town. That's right, Mexican food. But let me warn you, as I have been warned, don't walk into this joint asking for any fajitas or chimichangas, and please don't ask for chips and salsa. What you should expect to get, though, is some real deal Mexican cultural cuisine. This is Barrio.
It tastes like it's home cooking from some little village in Mexico that I'll never get to go to.
Places that Silvana Esparza knows well.
She's traveled extensively throughout Mexico, and she's compiled a lot of recipes and flavors from all of her travels.
Combine that with classical French techniques that she picked up at culinary school, and you've got the Barrio Cafe.
Camarón borracho on the line.
Where she's been flexing her culinary muscles since 2002.
Chiles en Nogada coming up right now.
With dishes like this one from the state of Puebla.
Chiles en Nogada.
And what does that stand for?
Nogada is walnut sauce.
It's walnut.
But
Okay.
I don't put walnuts in my sauce.
We're not gonna put any walnuts, we're gonna put almonds.
I kind of changed it. Olive oil, shallots.
A little garlic.
Absolutely. Seasoned with salt and pepper.
You glaze with a little white wine.
Just a little white wine. We're gonna let this reduce. Fresh thyme.
Okay, a little heavy cream.
Just a little bit. Little bit of sugar just to sweeten up the candy here. And then we're gonna go to the almonds, and I'm gonna crush them.
Mind if I taste it?
Go right ahead.
We should have made about another gallon of that. What are we making now?
The stuffing for the chiles en nogada. So we're just gonna throw a little bit of chicken in here. Kosher salt, a little pepper. I like pepper. We're just gonna cook this down. Red onions, a little bit of shallots.
I don't see shallots a lot in Mexican food.
That's my classically trained. I love what it does to the food. Garlic. Add apples, pears. Here's my Anglo influence. Raisins, apricots, golden raisins, tomato paste. And that's my touch. The glaze with red wine. I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar. I like that car of yours, by the way.
Not bad, huh?
But you know what? It might be on blocks right now.
It's okay. I'm gonna change those tires out anyways.
Let's finish it up with chopped pecans. And we have some walnuts. Add cilantro.
This is gonna rock.
Almost ready to stuff.
Stuff.
To roast chiles poblanos.
So you roasted the pepper off.
Now I'm peeling all the skin off.
Which takes a little bit of that bitterness out. Think about like caramelization.
I have that stuffing. There we go. Then I'm gonna take this beautiful almond nogada sauce. We're gonna represent something beautiful here. The colors of the Mexican flag. White of the queso fresco, the pomegranate for the red, cilantro for green.
We're good to go. Gotta get some of that pepper in there. This is real deal. This is old school. This is delicious. Just all the textures, the flavors, the depth, and you have all the nuances, the complexities, the roasted pepper, tenderness of the chicken. You get some of the little dried fruit coming through, and you get a little burst coming from the pomegranate. I mean, just all of it. You rock that one.
Whatever.
Very nice.